Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this installation is forbidden by system policy contact system administrator here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows and R key together, and by that you would be able to open the small window called Run. And here, please type for regedit. The moment you have typed that, please proceed on OK. And if your user account control will ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this window. Okay, so here you need to proceed at the upper left side of that and look for an option called HK underscore local underscore machine. So double tap and proceed with software key, double tap and look for policies. So double tap again and look for an option called Microsoft. Double tapped and go with Windows. Double tapped and here you need to look for a key named installer. Once you have find it, please proceed at the center of the screen where you can see there disable MSI. You need to change the value data into 0. So how we can do that? Double tap to it and set the value data into 0. Now, one of the factor why you face an error is that you have set it into either 1, 2, 3, or whatever value data that you have mistakenly or that you have set it under the disable MSI value. So change the value data into 0 and make sure that the base is in hexadecimal. And once you're done, click on OK and close all of these paths. Once you're done, close the registry editor window as well and restart your computer. Now there is a need to restart your computer in order to apply on the actions that we have just performed earlier. So in order to make any changes, in order to fix your problem, restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed this time. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment. I would love to read all of those. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Give a thumbs up if you have succeeded on fixing your problem. Okay? So thank you for watching this video and have a good day.